The origin is the starting point in a graph where the x-axis and y-axis meet. It's like the home base on a coordinate grid, and its coordinates are always 0, 0. You can think of it as the point where everything begins. Quadrant 1 is the section of a coordinate grid where both the x values and y values are positive. It's located in the upper right corner of the grid. When you're in quadrant 1, any point you plot will have coordinates like 3, 5, where both numbers are greater than 0. Quadrant 2 is the section of a coordinate grid where the x values are negative and the y values are positive. It's located in the upper left corner of the grid. Any point in quadrant 2 will have coordinates like -3, 5, where the x-coordinate is less than 0 and the y-coordinate is greater than 0. Quadrant 3 is the section of a coordinate grid where both the x values and y values are negative. It's located in the lower left corner of the grid. Any point in quadrant 3 will have coordinates like -4, -6, where both the x and y coordinates are less than 0. Quadrant 4 is the section of a coordinate grid where the x values are positive and the y values are negative. It's located in the lower right corner of the grid. Any point in quadrant 4 will have coordinates like 5, -2, where the x-coordinate is greater than 0 and the y-coordinate is less than 0. The x-axis is the horizontal line on a coordinate grid. It helps you measure how far left or right a point is from the origin. Any point on the x-axis has a y-coordinate of 0, like 4, 0, or -3, 0. It's one of the two main lines used to plot points and navigate the grid. The y-axis is the vertical line on a coordinate grid. It helps you measure how far up or down a point is from the origin. Any point on the y-axis has an x-coordinate of 0, like 0, 5 or 0, -2. It's the second main line, along with the x-axis, that helps you plot points and navigate the grid.